Down she goes. At least you can see what your truck will look like leveled.
Run it in a little more.
Yeah, if you can.
Get it in a little bit more.
As far up as you can get it.
More to be up left. One more. Got to push one more. Alright. Hey! Get about this much room. Alright, good.
Good stuff. It's the pallet breaking. So for a little review of the truck and how it did with 2,400 pounds in it, it's got the little 3.7 liter V6 in it. Absolutely did great. I'm not gonna lie, like I was expected to bog down a little bit more coming through the hills and stuff, because we were coming from Canon City to Penrose, and yeah, it 70 mile an hour the whole way. It was great. I still gotta get the pallet out, but for those that are gonna think that we're joking with you, it's 40-pound bags. There's 60 of them. I'll let you do the math. But yeah, other than that, it did pretty good. It is a STX. I did take the decals off all-wheel drive, and it has some kind of payload package on it where it's supposed to be able to hold more, but it said that its payload capacity was 1,750 or something like that. But those are just numbers. I've hauled a lot more with trucks less capable than this. But yep, other than that, that's about all we